jersey edition. This is Series 2, Box 21 of 100. This is a random teams break. If you haven't checked us out, please do so at breakers.tv/Boom City Breaks. We're on 7 nights a week around 8 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Central Time. We start every night. So come check us out. Once again, breakers.tv/Boom City Breaks. Good luck, folks. Can you hear the popping of the seals? Ooh, nice one. We got a Chad Ochocinco. Man, this is a authentic too, guys. Authentic Ochocinco. The Bengals. There you go, Raw Dog. You really hit this time. See, I made up for it, Raw Dog. You actually won this time, buddy. And it's an authentic too, man. This is a Reebok on-field auto, man. Congratulations, buddy. Still got the tags on it from Reebok. This is a Reebok on-field jersey. This is an authentic. Very nice hit, bud. Very nice jersey. Got a nice signature on there. That's a really nice jersey, man. Got the David Adams certification there with the numbers. Sick hit, bro. Very nice hit, my friend. This is a nice jersey. Screw it, I'm going to unfold it. Look at the sleeves on this thing. You got the Bengals, the claw marks there. Sick hit, man. Bengals patch with the NFL patch. Very nice hit, dude. It's a big jersey, too. Nice size jersey. Sick hit, buddy. Very nice one. All right. That's going to wrap up this one boxer. And again, that's a Cincinnati Bengals hit. Ochocinco, Reebok on-field authentic. And that's going to Raw Dog. Congratulations, buddy. Flip that over. There we go. All right, that's going to wrap up the one boxer. And again, Chad Ochocinco Johnson going out to Raw Dog with the Cincinnati Bengals. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time from Boom City Breaks.